and the way we worship. If we start worshipping the however we want, and it's not according to the way Prophet Mohammed showed us and told us, then it will not get accepted by God. The way we perform salah, for example, if we start doing our own thing, it will not be classified as salah. So we always need to stick to the original guidance that we received from God, which was given to us through the medium of Gabriel, and through Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And also, my dear brothers and sisters, there's a verse in the Quran that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu udkhulu fi silmi kaffa wa la tattabi'u khutuwati shaytan innahu lakum aduwwun mubin. So that's just supporting what I said just before about following Islam 100%. You know, because people do not follow Islam 100%, they give a bad name to Islam. So Islam always gets ridiculed because of the actions of its followers, but that does not mean the religion itself is corrupt. You know, if we do not focus and we do not follow the Quran and the Sunnah, the example of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then 100% there is no other option except وَلَا تَتَّبِعُوا خُطُوَاتِ الشَّيْطَانِ. You will, without even realizing, you will start following the footsteps of the devil, and he is your open enemy. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.